To begin, we need to access the Windows settings. The easiest way to do this is by right-clicking on the Start button and then selecting Settings from the menu that appears. Once the Settings window is open, look for Accessibility on the left-hand side panel. Click on it to open the Accessibility section. Here, you will find a list of various accessibility features that you can customize. Simply navigate to the specific accessibility feature that you wish to disable or adjust. For instance, if you find that your text size is too large, you can reduce it here. Similarly, if you do not want transparency effects enabled, you can easily toggle them off or on according to your preference. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.